this craft, you're going to need the inside of a toilet roll or some kitchen roll, some felt in some assorted colours, a pair of scissors. So I have measured and cut my brown felt to fit the tube, and now I'm going to glue it on. So you want to take some glue and then place your brown felt on top. Make sure to press it down and then glue it all the way around like this. Since this is covered now, I'm going to be making the roof from some different coloured felt. I've chosen red. So what you want to do is get a corner of the felt and fold it like so. Then take the other side and also fold it. I'm now going to cut the roof. Now I'm just going to glue the roof. I'm now going to decorate the roof with some white spots to make it look like a toadstool. I'm now going to glue all these circles onto the roof. I'm now going to glue the roof onto here. So you just want to take some glue . Inside like so. Make sure to press it so it sticks. I've got another piece of different coloured felt here and I'm going to cut out a door shape. And I'm also going to cut a little circle for a door handle. I'm now going to show you how to make the windows. So I cut out a yellow piece of felt into a circle shape. Then you want to take some different colored felt, place the yellow circle on top, and cut around it. Then you want to fold it in half and make a little snip just in the middle. Then you want to cut out a circle from the middle. Then you want to take that same colored felt again and cut out a thin strip. Then you want to place it and measure how long you need. So you want to place the pieces like a cross. So I've made some more like this, so it can go all the way across the house. First of all, I'm going to glue the door handle onto the door. I'm now going to glue all the pieces onto the house. I'm going to glue the window frame onto the window. I'm going to do this for all of them now. All the windows are done now, so I'm now going to glue them on. Finally, I'm going to add some grass, so you're going to want to get a green strip of felt that goes all the way around. Cut the excess off. I want the grass to end on either side of the door. I'm going to get the green strip and cut out little snips like this to make it look like grass. I'm now going to glue the grass all the way around. And now the fairy house is done. I've also made another fairy house in some different colors, and I added things like plants and mushrooms. I hope you enjoyed, guys. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Click the bell button so you never miss out. Thank you for watching!